Here we got a 57 Corvette. Looks like it's a full race car, red, white, and blue. Possibly the headlights. Well, the headlights are out. Man, you know, rain's coming down, man. It just. All right, number 99. Yeah, it was raining out here like crazy, so just started when I started driving down here. Not many cars here, but this one I never saw before. You can see obviously the long tube headers down here. 5-spoke wheels, Hoosier racing tires. Get the vent up there, releasing the heat off the hood. Up there at the engine bay. Notice the full roll cage. I'm not sure what that's for. And it's lowered too, obviously. Number 99. You see that full roll cage, full race car. Well, it looks like you fill it up over there. You say normally I think they're up on the side, but still got the trunk. So it's lean, low, and mean. Let's get a good angle from here. Got an umbrella on it because you know, rain's coming down. It's an open job. Here's more information on the car. It's raced all around the world. Just take a quick video of it. 550 horsepower, 331 small block Chevy, 4-corner Super T10 transmission.